If you're looking for land with outstanding mountain views where you can build your dream house or your RV lot, this may be the parcel for you. This 4.02-acre lot is around an hour and 45 minutes away from Tucson, around 100 miles away, as seen here. The closest city would be Hereford. It's around 13 minutes away, 8.6 miles-ish, as seen here. If you're looking for county living, then here is the spot for you. Outstanding mountain views in all directions of this 4.2-acre lot. Build your dream house, RV, manufactured home, or mobile home. Horses and livestock are allowed. There's no HOA, and there's easy access with a dirt road. You can hook up to city power nearby or go solar. Take your energy independence to the next level by installing your own septic system and digging a well. Just 8.6 miles to Hereford and 18.8 miles to Bisbee. You'll be mere minutes away from all the great attractions of Sierra Vista. Unlock your adventure and live your dream. Step away from the hustle and bustle of everyday life and enter the idyllic wilderness of Sierra Vista. Soak in the stunning mountain views, explore the trails and landscapes, and hike Miller Peak and the ranges. Get close to nature at the San Pedro Riparian National Conservation Area with its lush vegetation and many outdoor activities along the San Pedro River. And less than 2 hours away from Tucson, you can enjoy all the sports, theaters, shopping, restaurants, and arts the city has to offer. Make this perfect getaway your home away from home and experience the unique splendor of Sierra Vista. Take advantage of our easy seller financing. It's the perfect way to get your dream home up and running. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Come to visit the slot and contact us for more information. The terrain is level. This land's best attribute is it offers breathtaking beauty of 360-degree mountain views. The annual approximate property tax is $250.50. The zoning is rural residential or RU4. The general elevation is 4,300 feet. Again, there's no HOA and no POA. You do have to drill a well and you can go for solar or connect to city power. And again, there's dirt roads and there's no time to build. So kindly contact us ASAP for our competitive cash price and also our appealing seller financing options. This is Joseph with CheapLandFarm.com. You may reach us via 463-218-7280 or you may email us at info@cheaplandfarm.com. If you haven't already, we recommend you visit our website, Cheap Land Farm, and go to the FAQ section where you can review the common questions we receive to help with your own due diligence or research. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe. Bye for now.